Jari and Tai Helfeld have not heard from their father for more than 10 days. He lives in the central mountains, in an area that was among the hardest hit by the hurricane. Gas is difficult to find these days. That's why when neighbors gave them some, they decided to go and find him.
It was not possible for us visit him before because all the ways to get there were closed, broke. But now we are trying to go there and find them.
He lives in one of the most remote areas of Puerto Rico.
I spent a hurricane there, 2 hurricanes there when I was a child, but this is the strongest one that hit the island so far.
We headed towards Orocovis, in the center of the island. There is no electricity or communications here. Nobody knows how bad the situation really is.
Is normally you go in the trail and everything is green, and yeah, all these big trees are beautiful, and now looks very, very sad.
But once there, we were told we needed to take another road. This is what's happening all around Puerto Rico. Roads that are covered with debris, bridges that collapse now. Heavy machines are trying to clear the roads so people can start moving freely around the island. We're able to cover a part of the trip by road. Then we have to walk through the mountains. Some houses are destroyed. This is how many are trying to locate their relatives these days.
A neighbor told us that they've been seeing a little light going on at night, so we're thinking they are turning on their small electrical panel, and this is really good news.
But even though they lived here most of their lives, things have changed since the hurricane. There used to be a small road here, but it's now completely covered with trees, so they're trying to find alternative ways to make it there. In spite of the difficulties, they say nothing will stop them from making to their old home. Half an hour later, they start calling out, and there are signs that things could be okay. Shortly after, they found what they searched for. We're alive, my girls, Thomas Helfeld says. He has been living here for 47 years. Puerto Rico has been devastated by a hurricane. But for these two sisters, the wind and the rain were not able to take away the people they cherish the most. Teresa Bo, Al Jazeera, Orocovis, Puerto Rico.